Welcome students. Today's topic is valency. Valency is the combining capacity of any element, or according to modern concept, the number of electrons lost, gained or shared during any chemical reaction is called its valency. See, it is of two types, whether the electrons are lost or gained or shared. So one type we are taking here as loss of electron. See here, loss of electrons. We have taken some example here. Sodium. Sodium, its atomic number is 11. So its electronic configuration will be 2, 8 and 1. So according to octet rule, the last shell should have 8 electrons. So to become stable, either this one will take 7 electrons, or by giving this one electron, this will be the outermost shell. So what is more easy for sodium? For sodium, giving one electron is more easy. For sodium, giving one electron is more easy, and what this sodium is giving? This sodium is giving minus charge, because it is giving minus charge from it, so it acquires one positive charge. So this Na on become stabling, it becomes Na plus. Similarly, another example is Mg12, magnesium 12 is its atomic number. It becomes 2, 8, 2. Same thing is here. According to octet rule, it will take 6 electrons or will lose 2 electrons. So losing 2 electrons is more easy. Losing 2 electrons is more easy rather than gaining 6 electrons. So what this magnesium will do? On losing 2 electrons, it will acquire M2 plus charges. So now this becomes Mg2 plus. So what is its valency? Its valency here is 2 plus. See, we are talking for the charge, not for this magnesium. We are talking for the charge. Similarly, in sodium, what is the valency of sodium is plus 1. So if you are asked in any exam, valency, please, with the number of the electrons lost or gained, also add sign, because the same number of electrons can be gained or can be lost. See here, for aluminum the valency is 3 plus. So according to losing, gaining and the number of electrons, they are called as monovalent when it is having plus 1 charge, means 1 only. Bivalent when it is having 2, and tri when it is having 3. Similar to loss of electrons, we are having loss of electrons are called cations. See, on losing electron, they forms cations. So cations are what? Positive ions. They are also called as metal. So if some question is given to you and said identify metal, so what is metal? Metal is that element which gives electron, which acquires positive charge. Now next is gain of electron. On gaining of electron, it becomes anion. How it becomes anion? See, the example here we have taken is fluorine. Its atomic number is 9. So its configuration will be 2 and 7. So what it becomes? Either it will take 1 electron or it will give 7 electrons. So what is more easy? More easy is to take 1 electron. So what it is taking? It is taking 1 minus charge. So it will be acquiring minus charge, because it is acquiring only 1. Therefore it is called as mono. Oxygen, 6 is the atomic valence electron. So it will take 2 electron or will give 6 electron. So what is more easy? To take 2 electron is more easy for oxygen. so it will take 2 electrons, and it is also called as see it, because it is having 2 minus charges and it is having 1 minus charge. Similarly with fluorine and oxygen, nitrogen also acquires 3 minus charges, so it is called as trivalent. So what can be the conclusion? Mono, bi, tri, tetra and poly can be in positive category, also can be in negative category. What is we must remember, when electrons is lost, cation is formed and the element is your metal. When any of the metal gains electron, it forms anion, negative ion. How to remember? A negative ion, A negative ion. And what it is called? When it gains electron, that element is your non-metal. Next is our radical. Now what is our radical? A radical is an atom. See, in valency we have talked about charges. Here we are talking for the group or atom. Like these are atoms, and in valency we have talked for the charges. Keep this thing in mind, beta. So it is a group. What is now radical? Radical is a group of atom, can be same or different, which carries a charge and behaves as a single unit. If it is one, it is single, but if it is a group, can be can be of same element or different element, but it will be acting as a single unit. What are its type? It is of two types: acidic radicals. What are acidic radicals? They are anions, electronegative ion, because they are gaining negative charge. Similarly with acidic, they are again another type is basic. Basic is also called as cation because it acquires electropositive charge. Now see here, examples for acidic radicals: CN cyanide, NO2 minus nitrite, NO3 minus nitrate. This F minus can be also your acidic. It is not necessary to have group of atom. This is your fluoride. This is your fluoride is also your acidic radical. Similarly with acidic, we are having here basic radical. Basic is of plus charge: potassium, ferric or iron 3 plus or iron 3. It is cupric, copper 2. Now till we have understood that both are having charges. Now what is the major difference or how to identify? Now see here the difference. The difference between the valency and radical is, see here we are talking for the electrons or the charges. So what is valency? It is the number of electron lost, gained or shared. And what is radical? Radical is that species or group of atom or a single atom. Or a single atom, it is a radical. And what valency is a concept where radical is a chemical species. See here we are talking for the charge. Here we are talking for the charge present on any atom, and here we are talking for the atom having charge. So this atom is your radical here, and this charge here is your valency. Now see, I am explaining it to you once again. any atom is having a charge, that charge is your valency, or that charge is acquired on this atom either by lost or gain or share. So this charge is gives you the magnitude of valency, whereas any atom which is having charge, any atom or group of charge or group of atom which is having charge is called atom. So what is the major difference? How to identify? Atom or group of atom is radical having charge, and here that charge is your valency. I think it is clear to you. See here, I am taking one example, K plus. This plus is your valency, and this K is your radical. K plus is your radical. I think now it is clear to you all. Thank you for watching this video.